Hi guys, and today's session is actually on theoretical part of Java. I know as a beginner we all have some questions running around our mind, that is what is JDK, JRE and JVM, why are they different, what are the role they are playing while we are using Java as a programming language, right? So here I welcome you all to Crazy Academy, and let's move ahead with the discussion about JVM, JDK, JRE and what is their concept all about. So what is this? It is actually Java architecture that we have shown you. Okay. And in this JVM set of libraries, other files, and that are clubbed up together to form a JRE. JRE is again clubbed up with development tools and all to form JDK. So these three are actually present inside your system to allow you to use some libraries of your Java files. You can use different tools like your compiler, interpreter, and your runtime environment, that is your JRE. So you can easily access your different files of your that are inbuilt in your Java. You can easily create some programs, ask them, and execute it accordingly. Right, now let's move ahead and see what is actually JVM. JVM is a virtual machine which is not uh, physically present inside. Okay, so it means that it is like a physical appearance to your system. That means it does not has any configuration system in your configured in your system, but actually it behaves like an environment that allows you to execute your program. So there are basic things that JVM performs. So what it is, it will load your class that needs to be executed. That means it will load your code. With the help of class loader, we are able to load the class file that we have created for with the help of the program. Then what happens is it verifies the code. So with the help of bytecode verifier, we are going to verify which class we are referring to and what are the exact data. If it matches, then the third thing that happens is execute the code. When the code verifies is, that means the class code and your bytecode is verified. Okay, and then you get that okay, it is true, then that execution takes place. Now your program will run and you'll get the result on your screen. Third thing it provides, the fourth is provide runtime environment. That means when you are running your code, how your program will come onto the screen. So that is your console panel. It initiates your runtime environment, that is your JRE, to be executed so that we can actually go ahead and print the result on our screen, that is on the console panel, right? Second, now what is JRE actually? So JRE is also called as Java Runtime Environment, which is also termed as your JRT, that is Java RTE. Okay, in short form you can say as JRE, or also you can say as Java RTE. That means the Java Runtime Environment. It holds some set of libraries and some files that allow you to execute your program. And definitely it is physically present inside your system. That means you have to download it from your uh, either Eclipse org files. Okay, you have to either download it from your Oracle somewhere so that you can actually use these things. So if JRE is downloaded, then definitely we'll have a JVM present in it, and then we have set of libraries that will allow you to execute the program, like your system.lang files. Okay, Java files that like for printing your data you need system.out.println, right? So these things will be provided with the help of JRE. Then it is physically present, then it helps us to make some Java tools. Okay, without this we cannot execute the program, and we cannot make execution of the program run smooth. Okay, so next thing is Java Development Kit. So Java Development Kit is for creating Java applications plus applets. Applets goes in an advanced part. That means you can create GUI for your program. And how do we do that is when we have compilers, interpreters, your jar files, Java doc, everything. These are the things that extra things that are present in Java Development Kit. while when we club JRE and these tools together, we form Java Development Kit. Definitely it is present inside your system. We have to download it from, similarly again, from either from your Oracle, and if even you are downloading some IDE, then with the IDE these all things get downloaded. Okay, so Java Development Kit, it is a main composition which holds JRE, JVM and the development tools. See, I would say that JDK can be downloaded separately and JRE can be downloaded separately, but sometimes we have options, but now actually we have options to download JDK, JRE together in one go. Like even you can just download your IDE, which will now hold your package for JDK, JRE, everything within it. Okay, so let's see how this compilation process takes place when we are actually writing the code, asking it to be compiled, and then asking whether the code will give me the required result or not. That means when we are interpreting it and providing the output to the user. So first thing that happens is compilation takes place, and that is how, with the help of Java compiler, which is Java C. And then we move forward with interpretation. That means when our source code is converted uh, to your bytecode, that is compilation, and when your bytecode is interpreted and you get the required result, that means during interpretation your code is executed one by one in line. Okay, each line is read and then the execution is done and you get the required result, and the interpreter name is Java. Okay, so when we have compiled our file, that is the source file, we get bytecode, and with that bytecode we get our required result. So source file is always saved in the form of abc.java, while the bytecode file is always saved as abc.class. I hope you're getting this. So this was all about your compilation process and how JDK, JVM and JRE are different from each other. So hope we'll meet in the next video. Till then, you can subscribe me and like my video.